Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on this phone. So in such case, the best decision would be to contact OPPO customer support service, then tell them about your issue, and in case you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your phone without removing any data from it. Now, if this option is unavailable for you, you can still regain access to your phone by performing a factory reset operation and erasing all data from your device. This will of course cost you all data on your device, but eventually you will regain access to your smartphone, which is I think the most important part of it all. So you can perform the factory reset operation both remotely and locally, and to perform it remotely you have to open the web browser on any of your other devices, then search for Find Hub service using any of your search engines, and once you find it, sign in to Find Hub using your Google account that is linked to this smartphone. And once you sign in, you have to find this smartphone on the list of devices, then select factory reset operation, which is usually the last option on the list. And once the factory reset is performed, you will be able to set your device as a new one and basically start using it again. Now, the other way to perform factory reset operation is through the recovery mode, and if you're not sure or don't know how to manage the recovery mode on this smartphone, we have an entire video on our channel that will explain everything step by step. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. Now, in last case, if you do remember your password but it just doesn't work on this page for you, then maybe you should try to re-entering it in the safe mode, where no third-party applications affect the way that your lock screen behaves and your phone is generally less laggy. And to enter the safe mode, you have to press power button and volume up key at the same time and select restart and wait until your device turns off. Then wait until you see the OPPO logo on your screen once again. After that, wait for about 3 to 4 seconds and start holding down the volume down button until your phone vibrates. So press the volume down button by itself, and once you feel the slight vibration of your phone, you can release the volume down button and wait until your device boots into the safe mode. Once it's in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now try re-entering your password once again, and just in case you succeed, go to settings, then select security and privacy, then go to device unlock, screen lock, enter your password once again, select turn off password and enter your password once again to confirm. And after that, you'll just have to restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key at the same time once again, select restart and wait until your device is rebooted. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you solve your issue, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.